Does a car warranty cover the battery? Have you ever wondered if a car warranty covers the battery? This is an important question for anyone, especially teenagers who are just starting their journey into car ownership. Understanding the details of car warranties can save you money and help you make informed decisions. Let's break it down. When it comes to new cars, the original manufacturer's warranty usually includes the battery. This is often part of a bumper-to-bumper warranty, which typically lasts around 3 years or a specific number of miles. If the battery fails due to a manufacturing defect during this time, it is likely to be replaced or repaired at no cost to you. However, keep in mind that this coverage does not include damage caused by accidents, misuse, or normal wear and tear. Batteries are considered wear and tear items, similar to tires or brake pads. Because of this, extended warranties often do not cover them. If you are buying a used car, be cautious. The battery warranty may not transfer to you. It is essential to check the warranty details carefully before making a purchase. Batteries come with different types of warranties. A free replacement warranty covers the full replacement of the battery if it fails under specific conditions. A pro-rata warranty offers partial coverage based on how long you have owned the battery. Lastly, a composite warranty combines features of both free replacement and pro-rata warranties. To find out if your battery is covered, check the warranty manual, look at the battery's date code, or contact the dealer or manufacturer using your vehicle identification number. Regular maintenance is also key. If you do not maintain your battery properly, you could void the warranty coverage. For teenagers learning about responsible car ownership, knowing these warranty details is essential. It helps avoid unexpected costs and encourages regular vehicle maintenance. This not only extends the battery life but also keeps the car reliable. Always read the warranty terms when buying a car, whether it is new or used, so you know what is covered and for how long. Understanding these aspects of car ownership can make a big difference in your driving experience.